Stop using your hand to mix your okpa. I don't know why people have seen it as if without using their hands to mix okpa, that okpa will not work out. It's a lie. Let me put it to you today. You see this okpa I'm making? I'm using this my wooden spatula to do, and this is how I've been doing my okpa for some months now, and it's coming out fine. Ever since I learned that I can actually do this without using my hand, I have become a very happy woman, because using that hand itself is not even easy. Everywhere will be so messy, but with wooden spoon you can control whatever you are doing. Everywhere will still be in order. So this is how you do it, please guys. People normally mix oil without adding water to up, and that is the main reason why they normally use their hands to mix it. But I'm telling you today, you can actually use a spatula. Just put your warm water. Remember, warm water. Guys, don't miss this thing. It has to be warm water. Just put it and keep turning it to have a good consistency, and it will look as if it's stretchy. Then start to add your oil as you're seeing in this video. Add your oil mix and also top it with another warm water till you get the consistency that you like for your okpa. Remember, okpa has to be light. It's not thick like moi. It has to be light, so you have to keep adding water till it is free. It's not supposed to be thick as though we want to make moi. So you have to try this thing. Let us stop this attitude of using hands to mix, so especially when you are doing the okpa you want to use in your family that is not much. Please use your wooden spoon. It will come out fine. Let's forget about this myth that you use your hand to mix it, use your hand to do it. It doesn't look good, doesn't sound fine. Use your spatula like this as I'm doing it. Are you seeing how everything is mixing? Very nice. Because people used to have this fear of if I put water and put oil, it will not mix. You are seeing it in this video that is mixing already. Nothing is hidden here. I added my warm water first of all. I turned it, it became stretchy. Then I add my oil, mix it, and added another water. This is how I've been doing it for some months now, and it's making things easier for me. Unlike when you add your oil on a dry okpa and start mixing with your hand. That one takes time, but this one within 7 minutes, I'm not missing words, you are done mixing your okpa. You just do your okpa, put on fire. Before you know it, under 1 hour, you are done cooking your okpa. You go your way. So let me know in the comment section whether you are going to try this, or do you think what I'm saying is not true? Even after watching the video, what do you think? Or is there any other thing that using hand does to okpa that I don't know? Please put it down in the comment section. So let me know your opinion. Are you a lover of okpa? How do you like your okpa? Do you like your okpa with pap, or with soaking guy, or with coke like Enugu people? They cannot do without using coke to take the okpa. But anyways, I eat my okpa anyhow, whether with garri, pap, with mineral, with whatever. But most of the times I eat it like that. I'm good to go. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Ciao.